Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying account essentials so support can act fast. Sign into your Apple ID and confirm email, payment card, and billing address. This resolves many automated restrictions. Next, open Mail and search for policy or suspension notices. Capture any case ID because it speeds review. Finally, note the device model and iOS version. You will supply these when filing an appeal. Once done, pause to gather screenshots and prepare a concise explanation of what changed before the disable occurred. You now file a formal appeal through App Store Connect or Apple's developer support. Include the precise case ID. Explain succinctly why the app follows guidelines and what you changed. Include screenshots, crash logs, server responses, and deployment timestamps. Emphasize corrective actions already taken. This shows good faith. Make sure to set calendar reminders for 48 and 96 hours to follow up, and note the support agent's name. Once filed, monitor email closely and be ready to supply more evidence quickly if requested. You finish by applying any required fixes and submitting a new build with clear release notes describing changes. Double-check permissions, privacy text, and App Store metadata to ensure they match actual app behavior. Mismatches trigger rejections. After submission, reply promptly to any review questions. Fast, specific replies shorten reinstatement time. If the app remains disabled, request a human review and prepare escalation materials. Timeline, evidence of fixes, and prior correspondence. This increases the chance of overturning automated decisions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.